Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock, guys. So today is the last day before the stock split, so let's see the price action. Well, nothing would change though. Even after the split in the price action, everything just will be scaled down. Okay, that's what it would be. So in this video, let's see how the price action in itself is looking like, and we'll go from there. So with that, hit the like, subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. All right. So we are on daily interval right now, and you can see, guys, well, we are still full on bullish. We haven't lost any pivot structure on Nvidia. 1158 above this, we are still in the overall bullish structure. All right. So let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about what's going on today. So here's the thing. Well, before actually that, guys, I want to show you just the day trading bar so that you can put things in perspective. So we had a buy signal today and we are already in partial profits. First sell signal has come on this, but we'll go through some more details in just a second. But yeah, that's something I want to show you. Data is on the left side here. All right, net profitable on Nvidia, and yeah, it's looking good to me. Anyways, and if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, let's go back to the hourly interval. And so what we were seeing today, well, so this is where we talked about this trend line, right? And 50 hours moving average. So, and this is where today it's a great example to show you also what to look for in the price action, right? There's just so much stuff to talk about. Price action gives us so many opportunities to really understand how to trade. Now, this is what we talked about. As long as we are above this trend line and 50 hours moving average, it's bullish. However, if we break below it, you can expect some downside, right? We'll talk about that in just a second. What happened there, right? We broke below it, but Junior Trader, we went above that trend line again. What happened? We'll talk about that in just a second. But what I want to show you is, and this is where the positioning, price action understanding becomes very important. But so this was the level I talked about, 1214. I said that if today, if we can get above it, this will continue higher. Otherwise, if we reject here, we'll continue lower, at least to this 50 hours moving average and this trend line. We got that move. And then if we break below that, it could be a short play, right? So it did that. It broke below that, but then it went back up, right? And let's talk about the price action now. So here you go, 5 minutes interval. So what was happening is on 5 minutes interval, we broke below that trend line, right? And we kept rejecting it multiple times. But at the same time, what was Nvidia doing? Consolidating. So my bot, when it reads through the price action and the pattern, it read through that consolidation, and that's what I showed you on my bot, that's why it gave a buy position. But again, you know, there's a chance. There's a game of probability as well, right? So then since the price here held the consolidation, so, and it's struggling to go much lower, right? But it's constantly staying below that trend line, but rejecting to go lower, right? Every time it's holding the support zone. So what happens is that once a consolidation breaks, in this case it broke to the upside, we went higher. And you can see explosion breakout out of that trend line. So thus changing the structure on intraday. So, and that's why you saw that buy signal turn into successful take partial profits as well on my bot. Let's say, and yeah, this is where let's say this is where you entered short because we broke below the trend line and you saw that price has rejected there. Now, price went lower, but then what you saw in the price action, you saw a rebound, and then all right, you're like, okay, well, it's just a rebound. Let's see if we continue lower. What happened? We failed to make a lower low. We held the support consolidation, and this is where it's time to size out your short position if you are in short position. Just to size out, and once the structure change, get out of the short, hit the stop loss. It's all about risk management and the structural trading, and accordingly adapt adapting to your position. So this is where it's a really great example on even to learn how to trade with the price action when things or the structure is about to change as well, right? So this is where Nvidia on intraday, since it failed to go much lower, even though it was rejecting that trend line, but it has regained that structure back to the upside, and right now intraday it's back again in a fully bullish structure. Nvidia will remain bullish throughout the day as long as it stays above this trend line now, and also above the level of pretty much 1200 or 1198, whatever you want to call it. So that's that, easy peasy. So that's Nvidia. Now on hourly interval, now this is quite a strong up, not quite a strong upside, but it's strong enough that it has already almost gotten out of that, yeah, the rejection line. So let's see if Nvidia closes a day higher. Well, today, but yeah, that's what it was, guys. As I said, that one pullback is not going to change much, at least on the overall structure. And then you can see here that even though that trend line rejection was happening, bulls held the control back. And so if any short position was here, the structure changed above that trend line. And also, as I showed you on the 5 minutes interval, how you have to read the price action. So since it was failing to make lower lows, it's just time to get out. And not just that, guys, when you are seeing, let me take you to the QQ and SPY, when you are seeing QQQ going up, SPY going up, right? Nvidia being part of that, why would it go the other way as well, right? So all these confluence you have to put together. So just to show you my day trading bot on SPY as well, a net profitable, got 2 partial profits as well. Buy position was the play today on this as well. And so on QQQ is fully closed, the position. And but yeah, we still got the partial profits. Yeah, at least the bot has closed the this position. But yeah, net profitable, so all in all good. And let's see on Nvidia how we are doing it as well. Yeah, so let's see where's the second sell position comes on it. Partial profit, take partial profit target, right? But anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. But most importantly, I wanted to talk about Nvidia as for its price action, what it's doing right now. Well, anyways, I'll talk about Nvidia over the weekend as well and other semiconductors. Let's see when the chart changes now over the weekend. If it happens by later today, I'll be able to do a video, another one on Nvidia tomorrow. Otherwise, I'll see if on Sunday the chart has changed, reflecting the new split, and then I'll do a video then. But anyways, video will be coming out regardless over the weekend as well, and options data analysis, everything. And then also other semiconductors with QQ, SPY, Tesla, everything, guys. So hit the subscribe button, like, and if you found this video also helpful and valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.